Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this Madison Beer makeup look. I basically try to turn myself into her. I don't think I look like her at all, but a lot of my comments say that I look like her, like blonde. I didn't get a wig or anything
because I'm lazy.
Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do my hair like she had her hair for like the thumbnail, but not for the intro or outro because I'm lazy, as I said in my outro. But yeah, this is my intro, not my outro. Get with it, Kirsty. This is a photo that I took inspiration from. I thought it was really pretty, so I was like, oh my god, makeup goals. I want to do that. Why not do it for a video? So that's what I did today. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna stop rambling. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and my post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. My social medias are also in the description box down below, so check those out if you want. Yeah, pretty sure that's it. Keep on watching to see how I got this Madison Beer makeup look, and let me know if you guys think it looks anything like the thing. I don't think I look like her, but I think the makeup kind of looks similar. Let me know. I don't know. Just keep on watching, and I'm gonna go now. But have fun watching me, not this close up. Okay, bye. Hi everyone. We're gonna start off now because I'm gonna do my intro with my makeup on. So we're getting straight into the video. I'm gonna moisturize. My Glam Glow moisturizer, as always, my favorite one. It's called like the Matte Glow moisturizer. Really good. I need to go dampen my beauty blender, so give me a minute. Look what I just found in my hair. Grim. Let's have a little refresher of the photo. Yeah, her skin looks really glowy in the photo, so I'm gonna use the Dew You primer. I actually get compared to Madison Beer a lot, but I personally don't see it.
Oh, hello phone, let's see who it is.
Yeah, so I'm taking the Too Faced Dew You primer all over my face, and my mirror's over here. So if I'm looking over here, it's because my mirror's there. Yeah, this is just gonna create like a little glow. She looks quite tanned and full coverage as well. Well, not that tanned, but relatively tanned. She looks full coverage as hell though. So I'm gonna mix together my Sand Beige Milani Conceal Foundation, Conceal and Perfect thingy majiggy. And this is in the shade 6. I'm gonna dot that on my face, all over. And then I'm also gonna take some of my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Praline. And now let's just sponge it in. Let me zoom kind of better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I'm not looking in my viewfinder that much because I'm looking in my mirror. I'm sorry. I just don't want to mess it up, you know? I actually get compared to Madison Beer quite a lot, which I really don't see. But like, she's stunning, so compliment. I'm now gonna take some concealer, and she has like way better cheekbones than me.
Who's that?
I'm so popular, wow.
That was joke. That was joke, a joke, a joke. Yeah, as I was saying, she has way better cheekbones than me. So I'm gonna like highlight under my eyes like that to sort of like bring them out, I guess. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I think it makes sense. I can't find any concealer. Wow, I actually don't have any concealer down here. I might take some foundation, or is that a dumb idea? I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Y315 foundation, and I'm gonna use this as concealer because I can't find my concealer. I know it will probably crease, but like, oh well. Let's see if I do have any like drops of concealer. Okay, I have a tiny bit of concealer in here. So this is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Canal. It's just like basically all empty, this thing.
Thanks for being so noisy.
Okay, I'm gonna do this first and then explain afterwards because there's a really noisy truck outside, so yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna lock everything into place now. Blend my under eye again because like the foundation that I used as concealer, super creamy, so it's probably a bit of a dumb idea, but yeah, I'm just gonna set that. I take my powder on my beauty blender. I've always, well, I haven't always done this, but for the past like, I would say like couple years maybe I've done this. I started using a brush again at one point, but I just way prefer the way beauty blender look. If you want to use a brush, do your thing. I'm now taking the Laura Mercier, can I speak? This is the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, and I mixed it with some of the normal translucent powder because by itself it is super, super glowy. I think she was glowy, but like I want to add highlighter and like setting powder and stuff, so I don't want to make it like overly intense, if you know what I mean. I've started doing this recently, like mixing them together for the rest of my face rather than just using the glow powder, which I used to do, and like I think it looks better, but obviously you guys don't do what you want to do. This is just me trying to recreate the look because I thought it was a stunning look. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend that over my eyelid, maybe just with my finger, just like so that your eyelids all one color. I have really veiny eyelids. To be fair, this is more important when you do like intense eye makeup looks with like color. When you're doing a natural look, it's not as important, but if you're doing like a cut crease or something, sometimes like you want it all to be one color so then you can add the color yourself. I mean, I'm chatting shit right now, but you know what I mean. I know what I mean. I thought I brought a palette down with me. Obviously not. Okay, I'm gonna quickly run upstairs and get this eyeshadow palette because I have one in mind that I want to use, and I'll be back down with you in a second. So I have this Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette. Oof, it's broken a little bit. That's always fun. So I can't really show you the colours that well because it's a little bit smashed, but I'm going to go in with Cupcake, which is like a mauve shade right there. A little bit of that one, not sure of the name of it. And maybe some like just a neutral brown like that one there. Just mix them all together to go into the crease of my eye socket. I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take the shade In the Spotlight by Makeup Geek. It's just like a peachy foiled shade and I'm just going to take that all over my eyelid. I'm actually going to spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm just taking that all over my eyelid kind of. The photo looked like she was like a really shimmery lid shade that's kind of like peachy. So I think this works. I meant to go out tonight and I'm just really not keen. Not in the mood. Sorry, that's done. Now let's look back at the photo. So it kind of looks a little bit more cool tone than what I've gone for. So I'm going to take a bit of a cool tone brown shade and just run that through right there. Also looks a little bit lighter, the lid shade. So I'm going to take my brush and go in with a little bit of Starry Eyed, which I'm literally run out of. It's just like a pinky champagne shade. I'm going to take that over the top of it. I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner just along my lash line because we're going to actually use some lashes. I'm now just taking a little bit of mascara just to blend my lashes with the false ones that I'm going to stick on. Okay, so I'm now just going to go stick on my lashes. I don't know what style I'm going to use yet. I'm going to have a little rummage through and see which ones like suit the look. And then yeah, I'll come back with you guys when they are stuck on. I stuck this eyelash way too close to the inner corner and it's like poking me in the eye. But we're just gonna go with it. Yay. Let's do my eyebrows now because I haven't done those yet. Also, I don't actually know what these lashes were because I was sent them. They're from Prima Lash though. If I can find out the style, I'll leave it in the description box. But I'm pretty sure they're from Prima Lash. I'm just not sure of the exact ones they are. I'm just gonna do my brows how I normally do them because I think they're kind of similar to Madison's anyway. Those are way too long, Jesus Christ. Look at that, look at the length of that brow. Wow, Kirsty, you got carried away. There is a fat fly flapping about and ruining my video. Thank you, fly. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to hear it buzzing because I can hear it buzzing. These are my brows. I think they look really uneven today though, but oh well, let's just go with it. Bronzer. She also looked like she was wearing some blush. If I have blush down here, then I'll put it on. I don't know if I do though. Right, I'm just gonna take my Marc Jacobs bronzer because this is my favorite bronzer and I use it all the time and I've hit pan on it even though the pan's like the size of my head. I just like bronzer, okay? Oh, I need to do my eyeliner. Okay, let's do this first. So now I'm gonna go back onto my eyes because I forgot to finish them. I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner. I'm gonna take it in my tight line and I'm gonna bring it all the way into my inner corner.
Get the f away, fly.
Anyway, I'm gonna take this all the way on my waterline as well. She was definitely wearing brown and not black. And she also does a thing that I do where she puts her eyeliner in her inner corner. Oh shit, did she even have stuff under her eyes? Because I know a lot of the time she doesn't. So I just jumped the gun there. Sorry, I got distracted by my phone. That won't happen again, even though I'm going straight back on my phone.
Let's look at a photo, okay?
Okay, there's a little bit under her eyes. So let's just blend that a little bit more. She has a bit of a light shimmery shade under her eye. So I'm just going to take the shade that we used on our eyelid under my eye. Cute. I definitely got that in my eyeball. Not cute. I'm going to take a little bit of the Too Faced bronzer. I'm going to use this more as like a contour. As I said, her cheekbones literally make me want to die. I'm taking a little bit of like the eyeshadow that we used as a blush as well. Just because why not, eh? It looks like this was really far back on her cheeks as well, like up here. And now let's go in with highlighter. I'm going to spray my face first though. Just a little bit of Fix Plus, let it dry. I'm highlighting my nose quite a bit because her nose is way skinnier than mine. I have a fat schnoz and she doesn't. Some people are blessed, some people aren't. I'm going to take a little bit of this Dazzle Shadow Liquid in the shade Everyday Sunshine. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, it went something like this. I just up my makeup with glitter. It's all under my eye. I look like Edward Cullen. Still under my eye quite a bit, but I'll just try and... Let's take my handheld mirror and see what it looks like up close. Oh, it's there. A little bit of eyebrow highlight, just, you know. And then some mascara. Yeah, I'm just going to take some lower lash mascara and I'm sort of going to comb them outwards. Just on like the outer part of my eyes, I guess. I need to do my lips as well. Actually, I'm going to do my lips off camera and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I use. Okay guys, so that is the completed makeup look. I'm going to do my hair for the thumbnail, but I'm not going to do it for the intro and outro because I'm lazy and I also need to sort out what the frick I'm doing today. Yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I hope you guys think it turned out similar. I think it kind of did. The lips isn't that similar because I think she has lip filler and I don't, so I kind of had to make my lips look a little bit bigger. But yes, that is it for today's video. The lipstick that I used was Maybelline Clay Crush MAC Pure Zen, and then I also used the Soap and Glory lip plumping lip gloss thing. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video though, you know what to do. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn on my post notification bell as well, and that way you don't miss any of my uploads in the future. All my social medias are also in the description box below, so if you want to follow me on any of those, feel free. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love you, mwah.